In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create a US TikTok account for higher RPM and more money through the creator program. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to TikTok, and then you want to create an account as you would usually. If you're based in the US and you've got a US phone number, use your phone number. But if not, create an account, and then what we can do once we have an account is head over to profile, click on the three lines in the top right hand corner, click on settings and privacy. And then once we do this, you want to scroll down until you see the option for report a problem. Click on the report a problem option. So once you're on this page, what we need to do is scroll down to the bottom and then click on the chat with us option. Now, once we're on here, what you'll get is you'll get this chat option right here, and you will then be able to send them a message. So just send them something really simple like this. And then once you do that, they will send you a lot of information right here. Now what you need to do is go down to go to settings button, click on this, that will then bring you to this page. And then as you'll notice now, there is now an option for account region. Select the account region option. You'll then be able to search for United States of America. And then once you get the United States option, just select this right here. And then once you do this, you will then be able to click on United States. And then once we click on United States, as you will notice, I have now changed my location to the United States of America. So if this video did help you out, guys, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.